Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. So today I will be bringing you all a mini tutorial as well as a product review of LUSH by Brittney. So make sure that you all stay tuned to see how I achieve an amazing twist out. So as usual, I'm just going to section off my hair into mini single strand twists, and I'm going to apply some of this LUSH by Brittney to my hair on each strand. So you all know the drill. I'm just going to comb my hair and twist it all up individually, and then once that is complete with this one, I'm just going to repeat that step all the way throughout the rest of my hair.
The lingerie to compensate for lots of things missing, revealing little, you call it plain. Even when you rockin' average every day, secretly hope you bring it back like a Drake hook. Sweatpants, hair tie, yeah, all of that. If you give it signs and they be blind not to follow that. But sometimes it isn't.
Once that is complete, I'm going to give my hair time to dry overnight. And then on day 2, I am just going to unravel these twists and continue to do so all over my hair and then separate and fluff. And then we're going to see the final product.
Into what gets to you when if it's too convenient. We meet and greet, which leads to something after, though my reason may be backwards. I'm a little more attracted to you. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that y'all don't take it wrong.
Girl, I love the melanin you're chillin' in. Tell me again, are you cocoa, mahogany, or cinnamon? No filling in. For that natural hue, don't make me scrape that clay off searching for the actual you. Your black is beautiful. Now that's the factual truth. Remove the cosmetics and the tips to regather.
And voila, ladies, we have a flawless twist out. When I tell y'all I am in love, and I absolutely love this product, I mean just that. Look at these twist outs, y'all. LUSH by Brittney is the truth. Let me tell y'all. Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. So today I'm bringing you all another natural hair review and natural hair tutorial. I will be showing you all how I achieved this flawless twist out, if I must say so myself. But also I wanted to highlight this new product out called LUSH by one of my dear friends, Brittney Smith. So she sent me this cute little jar, and FF stands for fragrance free, and this is shea butter mix. So some of the primary ingredients is raw shea butter, of course, pressed and refined coconut oil, and castor oil. So a little bit about Brittney really quickly. Brittney is from the state of Arkansas. That is how I met her. We actually both attended the same college. When I was an undergrad, Brittney was a grad student. So me and Brittney have primarily kept in touch via Facebook. But all of a sudden I see she drops this new hair care product. And Brittney's been natural for a few years as well. And y'all, I just have to say that whenever I do a review, regardless of who it's from, what it's for, I'm always completely honest. So I'm really happy to say that this product is really the bomb, and so I want you all to see for yourself what this product looks like. And so the product that I have, FF, which is the raw shea butter mix, and I know Brittney is working on a few more that are to come, but this is the main one, and so you can decide if you want fragrance free or one with fragrance. I think I told you all before I'm not really big on smells, and I must say that this smells really good. It's really a mild smell, but it more so just smells like shea butter. All right, but a little bit more about this product. What I really love about this product is how soft and smooth it is. All right, and it doesn't take much application, if you all can see in my video. And something else about this product is that it's good for your skin as well as your hair. Something that I really love about this product is that it's not heavy on my body or my hair. There's a lot of times you can get products that just weigh your hair down, but this not so much. Really smooth and really light. Not only that, I know she did intermix oil, which is always a good thing. However, I think she has the perfect blend of oil and shea butter and everything else, because it's not an oily product either. But something else that I really love, when I talk to you all about hair porosity, we all know that my hair really soaks up water and moisture, but I think this has been really good because I kept my twist in for about 2 days with this product. My hair is still moisturized, but it's not heavy. It's still shiny, but not oily. Like, she has it going on with this product. I absolutely love it, okay? And just a little bit of a backstory about Brittney. So when I asked her, like, how did you come up with this? What was going on in your mind? Like a lot of us other naturalistas in the world got so tired of pricey products on the shelves. So Brittney decided to make her own in her kitchen. She got busy and she came up with this mix. Like I said, I am on board with this mix. I suggest you all reach out to Brittney. I will have her contact information in the description box below. But y'all, you don't have to take my word for it, but I suggest you all reach out to her and try to get you some of this because it's absolutely amazing. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this tutorial and this review. I hope you all have enjoyed. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.
Truly unique is the lady who's attractive without the additives. See, the only thing you need is a little